Cricket wireless international calling problems often stem from two main issues: incorrect dialing codes and add on activation failures. Base prepaid plans don't include international minutes by default, requiring users to purchase add ons like day passes or monthly bundles via the Cricket app or website. Double check that your add on is active and hasn't expired. Incorrect dialing codes are a frequent culprit. Always dial *011 or the plus sign before the country code. Ensure your account is in good standing with no outstanding balance, as this can block international calls. If issues persist, verify coverage in your area, as network congestion or rural locations can affect call quality. Leveraging AT&T's network, a recent Cricket app update includes real-time diagnostics to check coverage and add-ons instantly, and be sure to download the most current version of the app. If your Cricket Wireless international calling isn't working, start by verifying your add-on status in the Cricket app. Confirm you're using the correct dialing codes, starting with 011 or plus for international calls. Resetting your device or carrier settings can resolve connection issues. Consider using Wi-Fi calling via AT&T's network to bypass add-on limitations. For ongoing issues, contact Cricket support to identify account problems or outages. Looking ahead, the trend shifts to app-based calling like WhatsApp or Skype. AT&T's 5G expansion promises fewer dropped calls. Future integration of AI assistants for seamless dialing. Set up auto-renewal for add-ons to avoid surprise charges.